On Monday, the attorneys representing former President Trump in the hush money case sought that a court in New York prevent crucial witnesses from testifying in the presidential candidate's first criminal trial, which is scheduled to begin the following month. Stormy Daniels, a porn actress, and Karen McDougal, a former Playboy model, were both said to have had affairs with Trump's attorney Todd Blanche, attempted to prevent Michael Cohen, Trump's former fixer, from testifying. Blanche also paid two women to be silent about their allegations of having affairs with Trump in the Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's prosecution of Trump, who has denied the affairs and pled not guilty to the 34 charges of falsifying business records. The primary focus of the prosecution is on Trump's reimbursements to Cohen. Cohen is portrayed as a liar in the motion, which is 47 pages, is long, and Daniels is suggested to provide false and salacious testimony. The move also assaults the credibility of the witnesses. In a comprehensive manner, prosecutors have referred to the hush money payments as a catch-and-kill strategy in order to suppress bad information about Trump in advance of the 2016 presidential election. Trump's legal team has also taken issue with this description. Attorneys for Trump also requested that the controversial Access Hollywood tape from 200, in which Trump is insulting women while using a hot mic, as well as evidence from close confidants who were present during the time of his suspected criminal activity, such as Rudy Giuliani and Allen Weisselberg, who was the former chief financial officer of the Trump Organization, be excluded from the investigation. The submission that took place on Monday came shortly after the prosecutors had submitted their petition to prevent Trump from bringing specific testimony during the trial. These testimonies would include allegations that he is being prosecuted in a selective manner, as well as files from the Justice Department that would cast doubt on Cohen's veracity. Blanche stated that the state government intended to utilize evidence that was improper and inadmissible as an order to strengthen their listless zombie case that was intended to interfere with Trump's presidential campaign in 2024 in order to justify the decision to exclude Cohen from the future trial. The defense attorney used the testimony that Cohen provided during the civil fraud trial that Trump was facing, which concluded a month ago. In the course of the fraud trial, Cohen testified that he and Weisselberg reverse-engineered Trump's assets in order to arrive at a number that the former president preferred. However, when he was subjected to cross-examination, Cohen retracted his statements. A letter from Trump's legal team stated Michael Cohen is a liar in a civil lawsuit that involved Trump. He recently committed the crime of perjury while he was on the stand and under oath the defendant, based on the statements he has made in public. It appears that he intends to repeat same behavior during this criminal prosecution. Cohen's testimony ought to be excluded from consideration by the court in order to safeguard the credibility of this court and the administration of justice generally. On March 25, the trial of Donald Trump for hush money is slated to begin in New York. This will be the first criminal trial that Trump will ever face and the first criminal trial that any former president has.